Do you know that global organizations that have implemented HACCP programs experience up to a 50% reduction in product recalls compared to those relying solely on traditional inspection methods? Additionally, these companies experience a 70% reduction in non-compliance incidents and a significant improvement in overall operational efficiency. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified Global Food Safety and HACCP Compliance Manager program. To begin the program, we'll dive deep into every critical aspect of global food safety management and HACCP compliance. You'll discover how to conduct thorough hazard analyses, establish validated critical control points, and build monitoring systems that prevent contamination before it occurs. Next, you'll learn how to scientifically establish critical limits for biological, chemical, and physical hazards, design effective monitoring and corrective action procedures, and implement robust food verification and validation systems. Everything you need will be explained in detail as you progress through the course, moving from the basics to the advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even learn how to strengthen your expertise in food traceability architecture, recall management, audit readiness, and alignment with global certification and inspection expectations. This is more than technical training, it's leadership development. You'll gain the authority to lead cross-functional teams, modernize documentation through data-driven systems, and embed a culture of preventative food risk management throughout your organization. Upon successful passing the chartered exam, you'll earn the Certified Global Food Safety and HACCP Compliance Manager designation, an industry-recognized credential that positions you as a trusted leader across multinational food operations. So, what are you waiting for? Register today and elevate your authority to lead food safety with confidence.